Oh yeah, look at this. Are you seeing this ancient landmask? You see this tower that you are seeing now? This tower that you are seeing now were built in the 19th century by Ancient Champa Kingdom. If you don't get that correct, Champa, Champa Kingdom. Do you understand me? Since 9th century. You see, this one now, the big tower is a tower A, and the small one beside it is a tower C. There's another one down, tower B, and all this temple that you're seeing now, they have turned it to tourism center. Like this small tower, this one that you're seeing is dedicated to, according to them, they say the Lord of Fire, the deity of fire. They understand. But when I came here, when I see all these ancient landmarks, I just start remembering some ancient landmarks we have in Igbo land, that most of them have been abandoned, and also because of all this Biafra civil war between Nigeria and the Biafrans, a lot of ancient landmarks were destroyed. But because of many of us believe that we are Christians, that's why we abandon all our ancient landmarks, and our leaders, don't care about our culture and our tradition, not even to, fund it and start promoting and advertising under our ancient landmarks. They don't care about all these things. But look at this place. Look at how foreigners are coming in, Here is also generating a lot of money for the country. When you come to this Asian country, you will see a lot of ancient landmarks. Nobody is touching it. It's there for history purpose. You understand me? But in our own communities, you will see all of this our, Ukabalofo, or this repentant Pentecostal in Julunabai today. They will start telling you, oh, now somewhere like this or places like this is the reason why that you are not progressing, is the reason why you have not married, or the reason why you have not have a wife or children. The places like this, they will keep on telling you the places like this are the reason why you are not, you don't have financial freedom. They will keep on casting and binding Holy Ghost fire everywhere, but still yet, look at where we are. Like this one that I stand in front now is the tower, you know. Look at it very well. Yeah, all the rock will be, and all this central date, a lot of our ancient landmarks, none of us they remember them again. You understand me? None of us they remember them. But today, so many of us Igbos don't even know that we have places like this before Biafran War. Do you understand me? Dated back ancient civilization. Do you understand? Because so many Igbos believe Igbo just started existing maybe 100 years ago. But may I shock you that Igbos are one of the oldest tribe in Nigeria, even not in the world, or even in Africa. You understand? We have a lot of ancient civilization, but because of Biafran, a lot of things were destroyed, a lot of foundations, a lot of ancient landmarks were destroyed. But look at here, foreigners are coming here for history purpose, recording, videoing, for telling of a story. You understand? But when you come to Igbo land today, let me mention a few places that maybe you don't even know as an Igbo man, that today we have Ibuku in Anambra State, oldest bronze civilization in the West Africa. We also have in the kingdom, all these places. We also have Alochukwu, Long Juju Shrine, Abia, Ancient Oracle and Judiciary Center, Ebino Abia. We also have Obunike Cave in Anambra State, secret and natural cave used for worship and purification. We also have in Sudi, Pyramid Enugu, ancient cave and pyramids symbolizing Igbo spirituality. We also have Oka Blacksmith Village, Anambra State Center of Area Iron Smelting and Tool Making. How many of us know all these things? We also have a place like Mbari houses in Imo State, crave and art shrine built to honor the gods. And we also have Oguta rake in Imo State, secret rake of the goddess. Do you understand? We also have a ledger iron smelting site in Enugu, over 800 ancient furnaces, 2,000 to 4,000 years old. We also have Udu Hill and the Ngwo Cave, Enugu ancient natural and spiritual gathering site. So how many of us know all these things? And how many Igbos is she promoting our ancient landmask? But because we have all these failed leaders that is not promoting and doing good for our society, so all these places were abandoned. Let me tell you something that you don't know. Biafran War did a lot of damage to Igbos, but many of us don't understand this. Look at the identity crisis that Igbos are facing in Nigeria today. You see a full-grown Igbo man telling you, "Oh, he's not an Igbo man," because he's in the south or he's in Yoruba land or in Benin. Do you understand me? But look at this place. They preserve it, maintain it, to be telling their story. Do you understand what I'm saying? But in our places, all these Holy Ghost fire people, they have also destroyed a lot of ancient landmarks, taking away some things to destroy it, you know. But look at what is the difference, you know. So when I see all these things, and now I say, I wait for Ogo Biafra Melende Igbo Alo, Ogo Biafra Melende Igbo Alo. I nwere a lot of sites like this before Biafran War. Ancient Igbo civilization. Before even colonizers came, we have been existing, living in peace and harmony. But some of you are not going to understand.